Ye old treasure map. Your journey begins in a place of no pity, across the stormy seas to the shores of the Sea Dog City. Seek out the siren at the Hall of the Seven Fountains. She'll show you the May. I should start again. Hold on.
Nobody cares.
No.
Seek out the Crumb Boss.
Yeah, seek out the Crumb Boss. Oh, there she is. Seek out the Crumb Boss and her patch. Where you going, pirate?
This is the nicotine patch. I just quit smoking.
Okay, so wait a second. Wait, hold on. I can't even see.
I know.
Wait, can I see? Can you see? Can I see you?
I don't know. Can you see me?
Yeah, I can see you. All right, so Crumb Boss, how you doing?
I woke up this morning and my eye hurt. It did.
So Steph went to the store and bought
an eye patch
and a treasure map.
And it's perfect timing because it is Halloween soon, so I might as well just be a pirate.
Exactly. So Crumb Boss, what are we making today?
We're making Frankenstein cake. I don't know if I could do it. I did it blindfolded. I don't know if I could do it one eye.
All right. Right now, you're looking at Frankenstein. Now, many of you may not know who Frankenstein is. I personally do. He sent me a text the other day.
What did it say?
It said, "Don't worry, I won't edit your YouTube videos anymore."
Yeah.
But anyway, here we go. We're making Frankenstein's cake for Halloween, and we're making it with the pirate Crumb Boss.
Arr, Crumb Boss here.
Yeah.
No,
a pirate's life for me.
True story. Winklebean sleeps with his ass on my face all night long, and I seriously, I think
Gretchen,
he picked
this is a children's channel.
My cat sleeps on my face at night, and he picked up something from the outside. My eye was killing me today.
Oh.
So, but it's actually gotten a little bit better. So I need to take this off.
All right, so take it off.
I can barely.
Barely see. There she is.
That's
Hi.
better. Hey, everybody, Crumb Boss. I'll leave this on.
Yeah, I got her that too. That's a skull bone.
Skull bone.
A face. A skull bone.
Skull bone.
All right, so what do you got? Carrot cake?
No, actually, this is a new recipe, ginger cake, that I'm going to show you guys how to make a little bit later.
Okay.
So I'm just using this to demonstrate how to make Frankenstein.
All right.
You guys use any recipe you want, vanilla cake, chocolate cake, red velvet cake, you do whatever you want. Crumb Boss TV, we don't care.
No,
all right?
we don't care.
Also fill it with green, just because I have such a large amount of green.
Did you make that special?
Oh, I colored this green, yeah. I mean, we had a lot of...
like a Christmas.
Yeah. We had a lot of requests for green on cakes today, so we made a big bucket of it.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. So,
So we got ginger cake with a green dyed vanilla buttercream. Again, ladies and gentlemen, we are making Frankenstein. Frankenstein. Again, Frankenstein. You might know him as Chris. He makes new videos when Steph goes on vacation and edits. Okay? All I did was go on vacation, and Chris and the Crumb Boss went to town.
We said we're not replacing Steph. She's just on vacation. We're testing out some editing, and everybody went crazy.
Yeah, yeah! Who loves me, baby?
Everybody.
Yeah, Gretchen!
Sorry for the people wearing headphones on that one.
Yeah! Kiss my ass, okay?
Oh, it's even loud for me.
All right, here, go ahead.
All right. So, here we have my iced cake with green, because Frankenstein is green, right?
Yes.
Right.
He was like the mummy and the vampire and all that. So, the method, are you crumb icing, Gretchen?
Yes, sort of. Well, not really. If I was crumb icing, I would have done a very thin coat of buttercream, stuck it in the refrigerator, and then re-iced again.
Okay.
But I just went ahead and did it because I'm the Crumb Boss, and I can't.
And I heard we're going to be starting to sell those new blue spatulas, right?
Oh no, this is exclusive, only mine. This was very expensive.
Okay.
Okay. So what you're going to need, guys, is your cake choice, baked, obviously. And buttercream. On crumbboss.com, we've got all the recipes, colored green and black. So the lengthy part of this...
Can I ask you a question? How do you make black buttercream?
With black food coloring.
Look at his hair.
Yeah, with black food coloring. A lot of people have trouble coloring. It's such a deep black. To get those deep colors, my recommendation to you guys is to color your buttercream a couple of days in advance. It will deepen up as it sits. You are going to need a basket weave tip, which is available in the Crumb Boss Cake Decorating Kit, available on crumbboss.com. All right, the most time-consuming part of this actually was making his hair.
Yeah, well, you don't want... Frankenstein wasn't bald.
No, he had hair.
Did he have hair? Yeah, he did.
Yeah.
What was that show, The Addams Family? He's not on that, is it?
No.
Oh, no, that's Lurch.
Yeah.
Is it Lurch?
Lurch, I think, was bald.
Lurch, was he bald? Or he had something? He had something going on.
So here, maybe I'll come over here because as you see what I'm doing.
I'm not using HD, everybody. I'm using a flip camera.
Old-fashioned flip.
But with a wide-angle lens, so you can see things a little bit better. And
so do you see how I'm kind of like just pulling it off the top, but then you have to go in between? You know, this was really the most time-consuming part of this cake.
Yeah.
Was to make all of his hair.
Now, yeah, exactly. This is cool. Hey, you're giving him a haircut. Or not a haircut. You're putting a hairpiece on him.
Giving him a toupee.
No, that's cool. Yep. This looks really good.
All right, so first video back from Steph's vacation. It feels like we haven't filmed it forever.
How was your vacation, Steph? Oh, it was absolutely fabulous. It was wonderful. No one was on the island, and it was perfect.
Haven't seen you since before your birthday cake challenge on Facebook.
Yeah, my birthday cake challenge. I'd like to thank everybody who made my birthday cake. 33, 34, 35. How many people, Gretchen?
You know what? I have it all in a file, all the pictures.
And the nice boy named Dean Elliott made the cake. And I got a nice birthday card today when I came in to film Crumb Boss from the lovely, Christine?
Oh, yeah, Christine Montella.
Yeah, in New York.
She sent a real cool card, a cupcake card.
Yeah, exactly. So I had birthday cakes made, and I had, yep, she's back. And I had birthday cakes made, and I had a nice card. And then Gretchen, go show them my present.
I'm busy making a cake.
All right, I got a slinky.
Yeah.
Well, walks downstairs and nobody cares, makes a slinkety sound. A sling. Okay, I'll stop.
I made his hair a bit long on this one.
Yeah.
He needs a haircut because we need to be able to put in the face, really.
All right.
So I changed my tube to the number 3 that's provided in your cake kit.
Yes.
And we have to make some scars on his face. Okay.
Why?
Because Frankenstein had scars.
You got like 3.5 minutes to do this.
Okay.
And when people make a comment and say, "Oh, YouTube allows for 50 minutes," I know that it's the flip processing, and I'm not buying an HD camera, so you can go suck an egg.
Listen, let's look down on this one. As you guys can see, his eyes.
Yes.
I made those out of white chocolate. My white chocolate is not setting up right now to do the demonstration for this one. It's too hot in the kitchen, so I'm going to just show you a different variation, which is a good thing, because if you guys don't have white chocolate, just use white buttercream.
Yeah, exactly.
See that?
Cute. That's perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's perfect. Go ahead. I'll move back.
And then you can put like kind of googly eyes if you want to.
Yeah.
He's a little out of it.
Yep.
And then for the nose, you need more green buttercream, the same color.
Correct. Look at Frankenstein.
There's his nose. So this one's not the greatest. My other one was better.
Yeah.
But what I used for the pegs in his neck, like that. Remember Frankenstein had those
pegs in a neck.
Pegs?
That's where they electrocuted him.
Yeah, okay, right.
And they brought him to life. It's alive! I shook the camera when I did.
That's perfect.
It's alive! Okay.
So I stuck some mini Rolos in here in his neck. Okay, that's these things here, guys.
Okay, mini Rolos. There you go.
What's he look like?
He's melting. It's perfect. All right, so hold up him.
All right. Oh, yeah, let me hold up this one because it's better.
Okay, so here we are, Crumb Boss Raw. We got Frankenstein and the Frankenstein Bride.
All right, everybody, Crumb Boss.
You know what's funny?
What?
You made this video and you have dough on your shirt.
I do?
Yep, and I filmed it on purpose.
That's the trouble with black shirts in a bakery.
Yeah.
Get flour all over you.
Okay,
Whoa.
wait, Frankenstein. Well, there he is. It's alive.